Head back?
Yep.
You're good.
Okay, wait.
I'm not gonna set up.
Okay.
He's gonna get you ready. Relax.
Wait. Okay, I'll be fine. Okay.
Honey, really, this is gonna be okay.
Right here, turn your head to the right.
Remember, it's gonna make you feel better.
Turn your head first. Okay. I'm gonna have you go right here.
Okay, I'm good. I'm good. Oh God, we're supposed to be so violent.
That's a lot of pressure.
Okay.
That seemed really loud to your ear, probably.
Yes.
That's a lot. Hey,
See, I can't do this stuff for you, honey.
Okay.
This is why you made the appointment.
You didn't need it. That was the harder side, sorry.
And remember, breathe, relax.
You take your breath in, all the way out. Bring your hands together so that. How'd that go? Does that feel okay?
Yes.
It's exciting, right? But it feels okay.
Oh, well, exciting.
That's the hard part. Now mid back.
We're done?
Nope.
Mid back.
Right here. All the way over. Deep breath in.
I'm gonna fall.
I got you.
Okay.
Breathing in all the way out. Good right there.
Oh my God!
Right here. Deep breath in all the way out.
One more.
See? Easy. This is going to be the easier, no, maybe like the middle easier one.
Really done?
Not yet.
More. Go back.
Okay.
A little
On your
more.
shoulder and on your hip facing this way. On your side.
This is nice. This is the part that you
Easy
want me to
part.
do for you.
Oh my
Right
God.
here. Right here. Bend your arm up. Right here.
Oh God.
Right
A
here.
little stretch.
Right there. Real easy, right? Deep breath in. All the way out. The shoulder relax.
Oh, wait.
Right there.
Did anything pop?
Yep. Right there.
It did?
Yep.
Okay.
Is that okay? You're still alive.
Yeah, so alive.
So
Other side.
Other side.
this is gonna be great when it's edited.
Of course.
So great.
Okay.
Here you go.
Say hi, honey.
Hi.
Relax.
This will be fun too.
Oh!
Deep breath in. All the way out. This I'm going to do is bring your head back for me.
Head back?
Yep. That's the one.
Is that the one that I can't get?
Okay.
How's that?
Okay.
Good. Let's stand up, see how you feel.
Okay.
Deep breath in. Stand up all the way.
How you
How's that
doing?
feel?
How's your back feel?
Head still on?
Yeah.
It's still connected.
Good.
Okay.
How's the pressure feel in the neck, mid back, and low back?
Okay. I feel that better in the back. The
Really?
lower back, yeah.
Not as much.
It was locked up before.
Yeah. No.
You can lift your knees. You can lunge.
There
Okay,
Look at that.
that's good.
Oh wow, look at that. Did you see
And
that?
I'll do it
There's
again.
no clicking, no pop.
Oh,
You see
you can
that?
practically put your palm
Look
down.
at this. You see that?
Oh, there you go. Look at that.
Oh,
I'm telling you.
okay. Sorry.
Other than that, this
That's-
is you. This is you feeling what normal.
Creepy. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Okay.
It's just a normal reaction to your body. That's all it is. Release the pressure.
God.
Thanks,
Jesus.
doctor.
This was fun.
Is that it?